What a year 2022 has been for AsInt. I think about it how far we have come from our initial 2018 trips to SAP Labs in Bangalore. Hi, my name is Rohan Patel. I'm one of the co-founder and CEO for AsInt. I wanted to take a time to thank our customer and our team member for believing in our ideas and the hard work to get us here. 2022 was a great year, and I would like to take a few seconds to highlight some of our success. First of all, it's all about our customers. We wake up every day working hard to solve problems and make your life easy as possible. We increased our customer base in 2022 and wanted to thank the new and existing customer for believing in our products and services. Thank you to our software developer and project team. Not only you have delivered with incredible professionalism, quality, and speed, you have grown more than 500%. With the cloud development, we can create and update products so quickly. This year, we delivered 4 great releases for our product lines, providing new applications like High Consequence Area, HCA, Process Hazard Analysis, PHA, and many more new features to our existing applications. We also launched AsInt Training Academy. We allow users to access self-paced training or their own and courses as often as needed. Ton of the great courses are listed for 2022, and we plan to publish more courses in 2023. We have launched AsInt Visualizer. With this, we allow customers to access and visualize their data using cloud analytics tools such as Power BI and SAP Cloud Analytics. In 2022, we pick up travel again after COVID. We work with our partners like SAP, Sentinel, IDEO, Rising to attend conferences internationally like in Spain and Italy and United States. Our 2023 travel list is almost getting full. Finally, we signed a great partnership with Mangan Software Solutions to develop and deliver Safety Lifecycle app as a native SAP master data-driven application. This app will be available first quarter of 2023, manifesting as LOPA, SIL, SIF, and calibration management to our initial 1.0 offering. For all of us at AsInt, we wanted to thank you for outstanding 2022. We wish you all the best in 2023. We also hope you stay up to speed with our existing development at AsInt. To learn more, go to asint.net or send us an email at info@asint.net. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.